What are you making, Callie?
We are cooking pasta.
Okay, and then what are we going to put on the pasta?
We're going to put mushrooms and carrots and onions
Chicken.
and chicken.
Okay, so what do you have going on the stove right now in front of you? Explain what's going on.
Boil it
Hot, don't touch.
too hot, really hot, boiling water. And we have sauteed mushrooms and butter sauce. Butter, garlic, and oil.
Yum. Did you put any seasoning in anything?
Yes, we put salt in hot boiling water, and we put salt in the mushrooms. Sauteed.
Okay, so what do we need to do next? Do you know?
Yes.
Next, we need to take the chicken that we bought. Get your foot off. We need to take the chicken that we bought, and we need to take it off of the bones.
Do I have to do that part?
No, I'm going to use a sharp knife. So we're going to take a quick commercial break, and we'll come right back, okay?